Are you ready to master the art of writing an article review? Whether you're a student striving for top grades, a researcher aiming to enhance your publications, or a professional looking to sharpen your analytical skills, this guide is for you.
In this video,
we'll uncover the secrets to crafting impactful article reviews, break down the process with clear, step-by-step instructions, and reveal insider tips to help you avoid common pitfalls.
Stay tuned,
because by the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to write reviews that impress and inform. Ever wondered what an article review really is? It's like taking a deep dive into a scholarly article, picking apart its main points, evaluating its arguments, and seeing how it adds to its field. Doing this not only sharpens your critical thinking but also deepens your grasp of the topic. It's a great way to tap into existing research for your own projects. Let's dive into the key steps for writing an effective article review.
Selecting the article.
Choose a relevant and recent article from a reputable journal. Ensure it aligns with your interests and research area. Struggling to keep up with your studies? This secret will change the way you study forever. Download the Student Survival Kit now. Just click the link in the description.
Reading and analyzing.
Read the article thoroughly. Take notes on the main ideas, arguments, and evidence presented. Identify the author's thesis and the key points supporting it.
Assessing contribution.
Evaluate the article's contribution to the research field. Consider its originality, relevance, and impact. Does it advance knowledge or offer new perspectives?
Organizing your review.
Structure your review with a clear introduction, summary of the article, critical analysis, and conclusion. Maintain an objective and analytical tone throughout. Now, let's look at some examples of well-written article reviews and what makes them effective. In this review, the author provides a concise summary, followed by a balanced analysis. Notice the clear distinction between the author's opinions and the article's content. This objectivity is key to a credible review. Here, the reviewer critiques the methodology and evidence used in the article. The detailed evaluation of strengths and weaknesses demonstrates a deep understanding of the topic. Let's discuss some common mistakes and how to avoid them. Being overly negative or positive. Avoid extreme bias. A balanced review acknowledges both strengths and weaknesses.
Lack of structure.
Ensure your review is well organized. Follow a clear format to help readers follow your analysis.
Insufficient evidence.
Support your critique with evidence from the article. Vague statements weaken your review.
Summing up.
Reviewing articles is crucial in academics and work. It sharpens your thinking, boosts analysis, and enriches your grasp of research. Stick to these steps, dodge common errors, and craft insightful reviews.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more educational content. Happy reviewing! Stay tuned for more tips and guides on academic writing. See you in the next video.